Today we're diving into a topic that's so important but often overlooked. Everyday habits that might be secretly harming your health. Yes, you heard that right. Some of the things you might do regularly could be impacting your well-being in ways you don't even realize. In this video, we'll break down 10 common habits and explore simple changes you can make to improve your health. Let's get started. Habit number 1, skipping breakfast. Our first habit is one that a lot of people might be guilty of, skipping breakfast. Now, I know mornings can be hectic and it might seem convenient to skip a meal, but starting your day without food can actually impact your energy levels, metabolism, and even your mood. Studies show that a healthy breakfast helps you stay focused, keeps blood sugar levels stable, and can even help with weight management. Try starting your day with a protein-rich option, like eggs or yogurt with fruit, to give yourself the best possible start. Habit number 2, poor posture. Next up is something we've all been reminded of but still often forget. Posture. Poor posture, especially when sitting, can lead to back pain, tension headaches, and even impact digestion over time. If you spend hours sitting at a desk or hunching over your phone, it's time to be mindful of your alignment. Sit up straight, make sure your shoulders are relaxed, and keep your screen at eye level. Investing in ergonomic furniture and taking breaks to stretch can really help. Habit number 3, not drinking enough water. This one might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential for your energy levels, concentration, and even skin health. Dehydration can lead to headaches, muscle cramps, and fatigue. If you're struggling to keep up, try carrying a reusable water bottle with you and set reminders on your phone. Aim for about 8 glasses a day, but remember, everyone's hydration needs are different. Habit number 4, excessive screen time. Screen time. It's become a huge part of modern life, hasn't it? But spending too much time in front of screens can lead to eye strain, poor sleep quality, and even mental health issues like anxiety. Try to follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. And if you can, set screen-free times like during meals or an hour before bed to give your eyes and mind a break. Habit number 5, neglecting sleep. Coming in at number 5 is something we're all guilty of occasionally, neglecting sleep. Good quality sleep is essential for everything from mood to memory to immune function. Unfortunately, with busy schedules and so many digital distractions, it's easy to cut down on sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night and try to create a calming pre-sleep routine to help signal your body that it's time for rest. Trust me, your body will thank you. Habit number 6, overeating. Processed foods. We all love a quick snack now and then, but overeating processed foods can take a toll on our health. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to weight gain, increased blood pressure, and other health issues. Try to limit processed foods and opt for whole, nutrient-dense options when possible. Fresh fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds are great snacks that won't leave you feeling sluggish. Habit 7, ignoring mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health, yet ignoring mental health is something that many people do. Stress, anxiety, and burnout can all have significant effects on our physical well-being, so it's crucial to check in with yourself regularly. Practices like mindfulness, journaling, or simply taking a walk can help manage stress. If things feel overwhelming, talking to a therapist can be a game changer. Habit number 8, lack of physical activity. Physical activity isn't just for athletes, it's vital for everyone's health. Lack of physical activity is associated with a range of issues, from obesity to cardiovascular disease. If you have a busy schedule, start small. Even a brisk walk for 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Consistency is key here, so find something you enjoy, whether it's dancing, yoga, or hiking, and stick with it. Habit number 9, skipping regular health checkups. Preventative care is so important, but many of us avoid doctor visits until we feel something is wrong. Skipping regular health checkups can mean missing early signs of potential health problems. Scheduling annual checkups can help you stay on top of your health and address issues before they become serious. It's a simple habit but can make a big difference in the long run. Habit number 10, comparing yourself to others. Last but not least, comparing yourself to others. In the age of social media, it's easy to look at someone else's life and feel inadequate. But remember, what you see online is often a highlight reel, not the full picture. Comparing yourself can lead to feelings of low self-esteem and anxiety. Instead, focus on your own goals and achievements. Celebrate your progress, and remember that everyone's journey is unique. And there you have it, 10 everyday habits that might be harming your health. Remember, improving your health doesn't mean making drastic changes overnight. Start small, pick 1 or 2 habits to work on, and build from there. Have you noticed any of these habits impacting your well-being? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you.